Hey everyone, so I have one of these old hair dryers my wife used to use quite often. Kept it around and decided to clean up my work area, and I know I'd kept this to do a video but completely forgot about it. So I found it and decided to make a quick video. So I looks like I already started to undo some of this. So there's a screw here, screw there. So got a little piece of metal here, a little steel, and you got all these guys, elements, which are also steel. If you look inside, there's a little motor in there, obviously, and it looks like you can get to the copper pretty easy. And there's two security screws here. Let's see if we can unscrew them easily enough. One did. And this one seems to be a little tough. Kind of sucks. Looks like the pin's a little bent. I'm not sure how that happened. But there you go. We'll manually unscrew it. We got some of those screws out. Seems that something else is holding it here. Not sure what. Well, it doesn't look like it's a screw or anything holding it. So I can just pop it open. There you go. There you go. Piece of stupid plastic. Nice sexy motor. And some wiring here. Let's take that wiring apart. So pretty much what we have some steel, little vent thing here, some steel here, steel, got some cable, we have some switches, which I'm assuming have silver. I have to open those up, and pretty much, like, well, I don't even know if you can call this a low grade board, but we'll go with that. And we have the motor here, which is complete garbage. But it looks like there's some access to the copper. Might be a little difficult to get out, maybe. More difficult than kind of looked at the beginning. But maybe with a hammer you can bust that open. If not, nice little copper bearing motor. Some somewhat decent weight to it. And pretty much that's what's in a higher end blow dryer. So we've got some copper bearing motor, steel, and cable. I'm not sure if it's worth putting a price to this. Can't be more than $1 worth of scrap, so there you go, about $1 worth of scrap. It didn't take too long to take apart, so definitely worth taking it apart. So like usual, like, subscribe, leave comments, ask questions. If you guys have any suggestions of things to take apart, let me know. I'll if I find it, I'll hold on to it and make a video about it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys soon.